Hey, what's up guys? Hey, we're over here at All Access Tuning. As you saw in the previous video, we installed the MST intake on our Supra. So today, we're here to prove it out. So we put the car back to stock, we did a couple baseline pulls. We just finished installing the intake, so we can get some footage there. And here we go. Let's check it out and see if we make some power. Okay guys, so you just saw the install and the results on the MST intake. So comment below, let us know your thoughts. This is this is what we're doing. We're testing this for you guys. But the real reason we are here is we are testing and playing around with the Ecutek. So we're on a 91 fuel, we're on a catted downpipe with a Magnaflow exhaust. We put the stock wheels back on the car. If you want to know more about the Ecutek, there's a video, we'll put the link up here. And that is how to install Ecutek on your car, pull your cal code, and go through all that stuff. And we'll put another link up in the corner too on all the race ROM features that will be available through the Ecutek Bluetooth via the Android or iPhone tablets.
So to reiterate what Malin said, we do have a catted downpipe by CG Precision, a Magnaflow X-Mod exhaust. We have the FTP ChargePipe kit on 91 octane, and we're tuning it on Ecutek. So the results you see are on our car with a stock intake versus the MST intake. Results may vary depending on your car. So if your car's completely stock and you're just putting the intake on, you may see different increases. For us, we love the MST intake. It sounds amazing, it looks really great underneath the hood. When you pop the hood and you're showing people are very impressed by the looks of it. So what do you think of it? Leave a comment down below, click the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Stay healthy. Peace.